I'm still confused. We are going to show you what I'm doing right now. This is what I call the single square, the
double square, the triple square, which means I put a square over a square over a square. Now, I'm not going to put a square over this square or inside the square because there is no square inside the square. If you notice the lines, the only best possible I can do is an addition sign. If I do the multiplication sign, I must crisscross inside of the square in order to get that. Now, after I created the first box, the second box, and the third box, I end up with 4 boxes on the outside. I call that the communication bar of Venus. 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3, 2, 4, 4, 2, 8. 1 1/2, 4, and part 3/4 of 8 is 6 over here. Now what I do is now I'm going to take this outside and up, outside and up. Then I'm going to take this one outside and up, and I'll take this one outside and up. But the reality of this is this one should stay alone. These two come together, these two come together, and these two come together. Now I'm going to stop this video, and I'm going to get on to the next video and draw, so you're going to have to go to the next video and watch me draw it. Now I'm going to have to take pictures of this, put it onto paint, otherwise I'm going to have to redo this 25 times in order to show you the multiple ways that this will get done and the obligations that must be done in order to attain this. Now obviously, if the creator made this simple enough, okay, and not complicated, he will have to do it one of the ways I did. Otherwise, we're going to do it like the fence. You ever see a fence? It's not a straight bar. It's a bend this way and a bend this way. So they take up a certain amount of space within each other, and the fence looks like it's on the same line, when it's not. It's thicker. You see this? How thick it is? Okay, when you bend the fence, all that happens is this now comes inside of this line, and this comes inside of this line, leaving the area space on each side. Raphael, 7286, and a constellation of Pegasus. What was that question? When did this all begin? It began about 40 years ago, when I couldn't understand how there was a God and death at the same time. Because why would God put you here and then take you out of this world? It made no sense, and it boggled my mind until about March of 2005. All of a sudden, the signs, I'm driving down the street, I have not really looking to go to bed or just thinking all the time, and all of a sudden, boom, something else happened. We're not going to get into that right now. And then they claim I'm bipolar because I have the facility to think a little bit extra, in which most people lose their minds and never get back to it because they're so heavily medicated. And I was refusing to give up because I knew and I thought there was more, because the Bible said so. And if the Bible said so and they took it away and they put it back and they talked whether I believe and I don't believe, words say a lot, and so do mathematics. And that's why I like to carry my calculator. One of my favorite numbers is 17 times 17, which is right over here, 17 times 17, which is, what is it, 289? Whoop. 17 times 17 equals 289. And after that, I found these license plates, all with 289 in it, which is the conversion of the Venus sky. 9 times 8, 72. Times 2 is 144. 2 times 8, 16. 2 times 9, 18. And all of these are symbols, which are equations that equate to realities that are derived in our solar system through time, through planets, through colors, through music, etc., etc. 3 cars in a row. I changed the license. 3 cars in a row that I changed the license plates. 928, 289, 928. Heavens, renewal. Life, eternity, birth. Man, connect, creation. 27, 87, split. 28, 38, the church. 22, 34, 36, creation. Now we have to understand that 06, F, is the addition of 1, 2, 3. It is the addition of 5, 4, 5, 6, and it is the addition of 7, 8, and 9. Thank you for watching.